Today's message. Today, remember that the Lord is not like man. He will not leave or abandon you when times get tough. He will either carry you or lead you by the hand, but He will never leave you. If you begin to feel overwhelmed today, remember that the Lord, the friend who sticks closer than a brother, is just one prayer away. God message for you today. Today, God wants you to remember that there's nothing too hard for Him. Don't spend the day trying to figure out all the unknowns in your life, but rather let God work those things out for you. God wanted us to know that there's nothing too hard for Him, so we would know where to go when in need of be blessed and be encouraged. Today's message for you, talking about the Word isn't enough. We need to do what we say we believe. God will bless us if we are people of integrity. As believers, we need to keep our promises and do what we say we will do. Look for ways to demonstrate integrity today. If you can't follow through with something you said you would do for someone, at least call or write a letter saying, "Please forgive me. I was not being led by God, and I just cannot do what I said." This way you will honor God and keep your going in the right direction. Type, "I'm God's child," to claim it. Jesus' message for you. If your heart is broken, I want you to know that Jesus is right there with you in the midst of it. You can cry out to Him, even if you have no one else on this earth that you feel like you can talk to. He is closer than your next breath. He hears your every heartbeat. The Bible tells us He catches every tear you cry in a bottle. He knows. He understands. He is there with you in the suffering. We do not have a far-off God who sits on a pedestal and knows nothing of pain. We have a God who chose to become human and to come down could join us in the midst of our mess. Today's message for you. Today, make sure you remember that your breakthrough is going to be better than anything you had to go through. Sometimes while in a difficult season, it can be hard to be encouraged in what God is going to do, because you have the issues of the present time to deal with. But don't you allow the issues of the present to have dominion in your mind. The Bible tells us that for the joy that was set before Him, Jesus, He endured the cross. Hebrews 12:2. God has placed joy before you also. Keeping that vision alive in your mind will help you press through all the way into your breakthrough. Today, just know that He who holds the stars is also holding you. You are not in your life's battles alone, no matter how difficult and lonely times may seem. God is with you, guiding and protecting you. So let the confidence of the Lord's supreme presence fill your heart and mind, and take each step today in faith. Type 1111 if you believe in God. God message for you. Don't doubt the favor of God upon your life just because you're going through a stormy season. The favor of God is often manifested as a burden before revealed as a blessing. It's the burden of the storm that God is using to shape and mold you into the person, spiritually, mentally, and emotionally, that will walk in the soon-to-be-revealed blessings of God. Be blessed and be encouraged. Type yes to affirm today's message. Today, don't forget that waiting on God is beneficial for your good success. Sometimes we tend to get into one of our moods because God is making us wait longer than we want to. But when His plan is revealed and we see why He had us waiting, we then feel kinda stupid for complaining in the first place. God has not forgotten you, nor has He forsaken you. He's just doing what's best for you. And if you hang in there, you'll see that God's way was the best way. Type yes if you believe. Today's message. Today remember to exalt God's power over your problem. Sometimes we can become so preoccupied by the problems in our lives, we forget that God is in complete control, regardless of how things may seem. God isn't bound by any of the situations we come face to face with. When He says change is coming, you can best believe it's on its way. When He says you're coming out, you can best believe the process is already in motion. No one can stop the hand of the Almighty from moving in your life, so be sure to exalt Him for the mighty acts He's about to bring to pass in your life. Today, do not allow yourself to become discouraged. No matter what's going on in your life now, or happens later on during the day, refuse to give the thoughts of discouragement a place in your mind. The enemy has a way of using discouragement to his advantage, but greater is He within us than he that's in the world. So do not let discouragement get the victory over you